Nasa labas po ba o nasa loob ba ng bansa?
Well, if we look at the records of Bureau of Immigration, siyempre nakipag-coordinate tayo with the Bureau of Immigration, and yung mga point of entries na identify natin is being monitored, eh sasabihin natin wala naman pong record ng paglabas. But of course, I know that the next question, there are personalities na nakalabas ng bansa natin na hindi lumalabas yung records nila sa immigration. So, alam naman natin po yung parang yung ating geographical contour natin. Talagang there are lots of point of entries and exits, sometimes that we cannot monitor. But we are getting leads every day na ang sinasabi is nandirito pa rin po siya sa Pilipinas. No? So, we have dedicated a team, actually teams, to track Senator Bato. Kung saan po siya, actually, ang ginawa namin, backtrack namin from the time that he disappeared sa Senado noong early morning of May 14. At the same time, we already ordered yung lahat ng district and regional offices to do their own monitoring po sa kanilang respective areas. Apart from the dedicated team, a tracking team to go after, to locate Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Ang tawag niya po doon ay team? Team na naghahanap o dragnet?
Well, you can call it whatever it is, but it's a team that will try to locate and effect the arrest of Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Apo, si Senator De La Rosa ay galing sa law enforcement agency. Sa tingin niyo ba factor kung bakit siya parang palos, madulas, yung kanyang kaalaman at ang kanyang network ay nagagamit niya?
Well, it's one of the major concern kasi nga galing siya sa law enforcement, so he knows how the law enforcement officers behave, kung paano siya itatrack or hahanapin. So, ang sa akin lang naman dito, eventually, the law will catch up in you and the law enforcers will get you kung saan ka man naroroon. That's why I'm always appealing, if I have an opportunity, to Senator Bato to surrender kung saan na siyang sumuko at harapin niya yung kanyang hinaharap na kaso sa ICC.